Looks like Connor wrapped his gifts. I'm very proud of his wrapping. It looks very good. And I just love this paper. The little bears. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. No. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. I just said day 4 because we're on day 4 of the Advent calendar. So let's see what we've got today. All right, the door is open. Let's see what's inside. Here it is. I think I guessed that there'd be a veggie in here yesterday, or did I say fruit? I forget, but I'm gonna guess veggie today. All right, ignore the angle right now. You know, we're just trying to get this filmed. Also, someone's definitely working on something outside. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this is festive with my green nails. I didn't even realize that. What did I say it was gonna be a fruit? Oh, it's a fawn, I think. Why does this look awful on camera? It's a fawn. That's cute. That's very magical. Okay, here's the fawn. That's pretty cute. In case you missed day 1, 2, 3, here's who we've gotten. Red French Bulldog, a green candy, this flower that I don't know what it is. Is it a sunflower that's just pink? Is that the issue I'm running into here? That would make sense. I guess I was thrown off by the pink color. And then this fawn. I still think candy is the cutest one. See you tomorrow for another Advent calendar unboxing. We're going to the dry cleaner. See if they can hem this dress I got. And then we have a bunch of other stuff to drop off. Okay, dropped off my dress. She's gonna hem it a couple inches, so hopefully it won't end up being too short. That was the problem I had with another dress that I ordered. But that's great to have that checked off the list. And now we're gonna go pick up some photos I had printed and then probably go to Jewel because I go there every day in the vlog. It's kind of a beautiful night because it's not that cold. Why does this look kind of bad on my camera? I've been loving my new phone, but why does this look kind of bad? Okay, we're gonna go into Reckless because it's on the way. And then we'll go to Jewel. All right, we actually found a couple gifts at Reckless, and Connor found a Viagra Boys record for a really good deal. And now we're gonna go into Garfield's and look for something for Connor to bring to his work, White Elephant. And then we might not have to go to Jewel, so stay tuned. I'm carrying around this giant popcorn tin and it's driving me crazy. We're shopping for some coffee beans because Jewel usually has some of the local spots, but I'm not seeing anything.
That's so weird.
Normally it's on an end cap, so I am not surprised we're not seeing it here. But I'm looking for dark matter in particular because you guys know how I feel about dark matter. Okay, it's sold out, you guys. Oh well. I'll just get it somewhere else. All right, I'm gonna cook dinner now, and then I'll show you what else happens. I don't remember what I said I was gonna show you, but we're gonna cook dinner now. We're having soup for dinner, who's surprised? And then I'll probably wrap a few gifts. The soup is in progress. I probably need to stir it. I just put some more seasonings in. I only had one thing of veggie broth, so this is all we're gonna get. I'm about to wrap up the Sonny Angels I got because I'm gonna bring them tomorrow night. So let's wrap them. Here's the reveal. Don't look at that side. Honestly, you don't see much of the bears. Aw. Aw, this one's upside down. Dang it. Okay, wait. Unfortunately, it's gonna be upside down because this is stuck, but it's fine. It adds to the vibes. Hopefully they pull something cute. I'll show you guys tomorrow.